Hey Sean, how you feeling today?
I'm chilling, taking it easy.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working on my objective.
So how have your checks been coming?
Yeah, my mood is good. I feel happy. I like things. I like how things are getting done.
So Sean, last time we met, we was talking about processes and your Social Security benefits. Where are you at in that process?
I'm meeting them Thursday, 2/21, 2019. I meet with the doctor if I'm going to get approved for my benefits.
So once you get approved, what's your next step, Sean?
I want to start looking for housing, finishing my last two classes at Montgomery County Community College, and live a productive life.
Okay. That's great to hear. That's great to hear, Sean. So I know you have the ACT team that you're working with. How do you think they're helping you support your objectives?
They're helping me with my degree in business administration.
Okay. Okay.
I want a minor in communication. They help me with that.
Do you think the ACT team can do things differently or better for you to help you assist with?
I mean, they okay. They could do better. They okay. I'd like more help with housing and fixing over my social security and more engagement. But they okay.
What can you do better to allow a better relationship with your support in the community?
What do you mean?
Meaning, last time your communication, you have struggled communicating about issues that's going on with you. You get very frustrated and agitated at times. So, what can you do differently to articulate your needs and wants
I
to your
mean, I
acting?
guess I could communicate more with them, tell them what's going on with my housing search, update them, and just let them know how my medication is making me feel.
Glad you were able to identify things within yourself to build a better connection with your act team. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Sean, where do you think you're at on your objectives?
I would rate myself about a 7
Okay.
since I'm working on my social security benefits.
Okay. Why would you give yourself a 7?
Um, because I'm in the final process of getting my social security benefits, and the next step is finding housing.
Okay. Are you looking for housing currently?
Yes, I go on apartment now, Zillow.com, Trula.com to locate apartments. I have some places already that I want to explore with my 18.
Okay. So I know you currently reside with your mom. It's a lot of commotion in the house. You have your siblings there. You have your nephew, and everything's going on. So, who's your support in your family?
I mean, my mom. My mom is supportive,
Okay.
especially in helping me finding my own housing, getting my social security benefits, and trying to gain my independence.
Okay. With gaining your independence, do you think it's a good idea to return to your mother's home?
No, definitely not. Plus, I'll be around peer derailment.
What do you mean by peer derailment?
My friends, my peers, peer pressure into using Xanax, Molly's, perks, etc. So when I refer to my peers derailing me, it's my peers are taking me off track, from staying sober
Okay.
and healthy.
Okay. I'm glad you were able to identify uh, what could cause your environment to trigger you and affect your mental health, and you want to stay on target with moving forward with housing and social security and benefits like that. Okay. Have you been discussing your progress and understanding your mental illness with your therapist at the ACT team?
Well, I'm going to take it more seriously than last time, than when I was here last time. Acting like all nonchalant, like I don't have mental health and I still want to use drugs.
Communication with all parties will help alleviate some stress. Do you agree with that, Sean?
I guess. Yeah.
So, since you're on the final stage of getting your benefits, what do you need to do better moving forward with yourself?
I think, communicate more. Communication is key. I'm working on it.
What do you think you need to do to work on it?
What you mean, communicating skills?
Yeah.
Staying
Yeah.
away from these women.
Oh,
Because they're going to get me in trouble.
okay. Okay. What do you mean by staying away from these women?
Walk away and using my words and not reacting.
Okay. Well, thank you, Sean, for meeting with me. Do you have any questions or concerns in our transitioning you out of the CRP program and to a safe environment? Do you have any questions or concerns that you want to ask me or bring up?
Not currently, no.
Well, thank you, Sean. I really appreciate you talking with me. Okay.
Thank you.